press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, we continue what we discussed in the last class. Okay, the topic is the distance between 2 points in space. Okay, the next problem is, see, observe here, very important problem. Show that -1, 2, 1, comma 1, -2, 5, comma 4, -7, 8, and 2, -3, 4 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Very important problem. Show that these 4 points in space are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, so what we do, take the first point is A of -1, 2, 1, and B of 1, -2, 5, C of 4, -7, 8, lastly D of 2, -3, 4. Better we draw a parallelogram. Very important. You know the parallelogram means, and we write the alphabet either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, we write the alphabet either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise direction. I write in anti-clockwise direction. So you know the parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. Correct na? So opposite sides means AB is equal to DC. Yes, AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. If this condition satisfies, A, B, C and D are the what? Vertices of a parallelogram. So what we do, first we find the distance from A to B, distance from D to C. If these two distance values are same, then we find distance from A to D and distance from B to C. If the condition satisfies, what is the condition? Opposite sides, AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. If this condition satisfies, A, B, C and D are the what? Vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, so first I find distance from what? A to B. Square root of, already you know the formula in the last class, x2 minus x1 whole square. A to B, x2 minus x1. So 1 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. y2 plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. Correct? 5 minus 1 whole square. Z2 minus Z1. Calculate very fast. Calculate it. 1 plus 1, 2 square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 1, again it is 4 square. That is equal to square root of 2 square is how much? 4. 4 square is 16 plus 16. Add these three values, 36. So you know square root of 36 is 6. Correct na? AB is equal to what? 6. Okay, distance from A to B is over. Similarly, we find distance from D to C. Distance from D to C, square root of D to C, D to C, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus x2 minus x1, correct? x2 minus x1, then plus minus 7 minus of minus plus 3 whole square, plus 8 minus 4 whole square, z2 minus z1. So that is equal to square root of, calculate. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2 square, plus minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is how much? Minus 4 whole square, plus 8 minus 4 is how much? 4 square. That is equal to square root of 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 4 square is 16, again root 36. No doubt that implies DC is also square root of 36 is how much? 6. Observe here, what we got here? AB is equal to DC. One condition is over. AB is equal to what? DC. Similarly, we find distance from A to D and distance from what? B to C. Distance from A to D. So I written the points are A point minus 1, 2, 1, B point 1 minus 2, 5, C point 4 minus 7, 8, D point 2 minus 3, 4. Okay. Distance from A to D. AD distance. AD distance square root of. So 2 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square, plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square, plus 4 minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 is how much? 3 square, plus minus 5 whole square, plus 3 square. Square root of 3 square is how much? 9 plus 25 plus 9. Calculate it. So 25 plus 9, 34. 34 plus 9, 43. Yes, correct. AD is equal to what? Square root of 43. AD is over. Similarly, we find distance from what? B to C. Distance from B to C, BC. BC, square root of B to C, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 whole square, plus minus 7 minus of minus plus 2 whole square, plus 8 minus 5 whole square, 8 minus 5 whole square. That is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 is how much? 3 square, plus minus 5 whole square plus 3 square. Again it is square root of 9 plus 25 plus 9. It is nothing but square root of 43. BC is equal to what? Square root of 43. The conclusion step we write here. The conclusion step is that implies AB is equal to DC is equal to 6. First result. Then AD is equal to BC is equal to square root of 43. Observe carefully. Opposite sides are equal. Correct now? Opposite sides are equal. Hence, hence A comma B comma C and D, the points in space. What are the given the points? A, B, C and D are the vertices of a what? Parallelogram. Correct now? Are the vertices of a parallelogram. To prove parallelogram, what we check? We check the distance between opposite sides. If the opposite sides are equal, then the given points are the what? Vertices of a what? Parallelogram. Clear? Understand? It is a very important problem. Very important problem. Okay, one more problem. Different problem. Find the next one. Next problem. Find the equation of the set of points. Find the equation of the set of points which are equidistant from the points 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, minus 1. 1, 3, 2, 3 and 3, 2, minus 1. See, observe here, very carefully observe here. Find the equation of the set of points. The condition is the set of points equidistant, very important. For what? From the 2 points. Equidistant from the 2 points. What we do here? First we take A point. 1, 2, 3. Okay now? A point is 1, 2, 3. And B point. 3, 2, minus 1. B point is 3, 2, minus 1. We define set of points. Let P of x, y, z be the locus of a point. Locus of a point. Sir, locus means what? Locus means it is nothing but a set of points. Okay, na? Another word of set of points. Locus of a point is nothing but a set of points satisfying the given condition. What has given? Equidistant from the points. Equidistant from the point means distance from P to A. Correct na? Distance from P to A is equal to distance from P to B. This is given. Very important condition. Equidistant from the points. Equidistant from the point means distance from P to A. Distance from P to A is equal to what? Distance from P to B. Okay. Using distance formula. So we solve the equation. Distance from P to A. That means what? 1 minus x whole square root of x2 minus x1, correct now? Plus 2 minus y whole square plus 3 minus z whole square. This is over. Distance from P to A. that is equal to distance from A to B, 3 minus x whole square, correct? 3 minus x whole square plus 2 minus y whole square plus minus 1 minus z whole square. Observe here, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, correct? So we using the formula we substitute the values. What is the next step? To remove the square root, correct? Now to remove the square root, what we do? Squaring on both sides, correct? To remove the square roots, squaring on both sides are right here above. Squaring on both sides, square root get cancelled. What it left? That implies 1 minus x whole square plus 2 minus y whole square plus 3 minus z whole square. LHS square root get cancelled. That is equal to 3 minus x whole square plus 2 minus y whole square plus minus 1 minus z whole square. Minus 1 minus z whole square. Both sides square root get cancelled. Correct now? Both sides square root get cancelled. Okay. Simplify it. Then we got the equation. What we do? It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Correct now? It is in the form of what? A minus b whole square. A square. A square is 1 square plus b square x square minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into x, 2x. This is over. This completes. Plus a square, 2 square plus b square, y square minus 2 into 2, 4y. This is also over. Similarly this one plus 3 square plus z square minus 3 into 2, 6z. LHS is over, completely over. Similarly for RHS, or although a minus b whole square, so 3 square plus x square minus 6x. So plus 2 square plus y square minus 4y. Right below plus minus 1 square plus z square, that z square minus into minus plus 2z. Observe carefully. Plus x square LHS plus x square RHS get cancelled. Similarly plus y square LHS plus y square RHS cancelled. Plus z square in LHS and plus z square in RHS, that also cancelled. Okay. Simplified. 1 square is how much? 1 minus 2x, 2 square 4 minus 4y, 3 square 9 minus 6z. This is left in LHS. RHS 3 square 9 minus 6x. Correct now? Plus 4 minus 4y plus 1 plus 2z. Minus 1 square is 1. So calculate. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 9 plus 9. How much? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z. Similarly, also calculate. 4 plus 1 is 5. Correct? 5 plus 4, that is 14. Minus 6x minus 4y plus 2z. Both sides 14 get cancelled. So minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to minus 6x minus 4y plus 2z. We shifted all these values minus 6x minus 4y plus 2z from right side to left side. So minus 2x, I shift minus 6x from right side to left side, it becomes plus 6x. Correct now? So then minus 4y, I shift minus 4y from right side to left side, it becomes plus 4y. Yes, then minus 6z plus 2z from right side to left side, it becomes minus 2z is equal to 0. Plus 4y, minus 4y get cancelled. 6x minus 2x is how much? 4x. Minus 6z minus 2z is how much? Minus 8z is equal to 0. Here, for we take common, x minus 2z is equal to 0 on cross multiplying. That implies x minus 2z. X minus 2z is the set of equation, locus of a equation satisfying the given condition. Okay na? X minus 2z. X minus 2z is the x minus 2z is equal to 0 is the set of equation satisfying the given condition. Clear? Okay, we solve one more problem regarding the same type. Next problem. This is the last problem in distance between 2 points. Find the same type question. Find the equation. Find the equation of the set of points. Set of points which are equidistant, from the points points are minus 1, 2, 4 and 4, 2, minus 1. 4, 2, minus 1. Minus 1, 2, 4 and 4, 2, minus 1. Same type of problem what we discussed in the previous problem. Okay, what we do here? Take a point minus 1, 2, 4. Correct now? A point is minus 1, 2, 4. B point 4, 2, minus 1. Let P of x comma y comma z be a set of points. Another word is locus of a point. Locus of a given P to A is equal to what? P to B. P to A is equal to what? P to B. By using distance formula, that is equal to P to A, x minus of minus plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square. P to A is over. P to B. P to B, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus of minus plus 1 whole square. Z minus of minus plus 1 whole square. Correct now? Okay. So, to remove the square roots, what we do? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, it becomes x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square z minus 4 whole square is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z plus 1 whole square. Z plus 1 whole square. Simplified. Okay. So x plus 1, it is of the form a plus b whole square, x square plus 1 square plus 2x, this is over, plus y square plus 2 square, okay, 2 square minus 4y 2ab plus z square plus 4 square minus 8z is equal to LHS is over RHS x square plus 4 square minus 8x plus y square plus 2 square minus 4y. I written below z plus 1 whole square, z square plus 1 square plus 2z, z square plus 1 square plus 2z. Okay, see, observe here, observe carefully. So x square and x square both sides, what? Get cancelled. Similarly, y square and y square get cancelled. Z square get cancelled. What we left? Right hand. 1 square is 1 plus 2x plus 2 square 4 minus 4y plus 4 square 16 minus 8z is equal to 4 square 16 minus 8x plus 2 square 4 minus 4y plus 1 square 1 plus 2z. Correct? Calculate it. 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 plus 2x minus 4y minus 8z. Correct now? Okay, here also 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 1 21 minus 8x minus 4y plus 2z. Both side 21 what? Cancelled. Correct now? 21 it cancelled. 2x minus 4y minus 8z is equal to minus 8x minus 4y plus 2z. Correct? Plus 2z. We shifted all these values from right side to left side. 2x. So minus 8x I shift from right side to left side. It becomes what? Plus 8x minus 4y. So I shifted minus 4y from right side to left side. It becomes plus 4y minus 8z plus 2z from right side to left side becomes what? Minus 2z is equal to 0. Plus 4y minus 4y get cancelled. 8x, how much? 10x minus 10z is equal to 0. Take 10 common. X minus z is equal to 0. That implies divided by 10. X minus z is equal to 0 is nothing but what? The set of equation satisfying the given condition. This completes what? The distance between 2 points in space. Okay na? This completes distance between 2 points in space. We see the next topic. The next topic is section formula in space. section formula in space. This formula also you discuss in the 10th class, correct na? In plane you are discussing section formula in plane. So simply I written here the formula P of x comma y is equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by what? M plus n. Similarly m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus 1. Correct na? Section formula for internal division. Correct? There are two divisions. Internal division, external division. P of x comma y, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus 1. You already know in 10th class the section formula in plane for internal as well as external division. One more external division, q of x comma y. For internal it is plus, for external it is minus mx2 minus nx1 divided by what? M minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. These two formulas we already discussed in the 10th class. Okay, so first we see section formula, the role of the section formula. Means section formula means what? Section formula, the word says that section. So here what it do here, these 2 points A and B points, they lie on the space. Okay na? A, B lie on the space. We join these 2 points, line joining these 2 points. Section means let P be a point, it also in space. P be a point, it also in space. What it do? It divides the P point section, bifurcate, it divides line joining AB. The role of section means it divides line joining AB in the ratio m is to n. That means A to P is equal to m, P to B is equal to n. The role of the section means it divides the line joining AB in the ratio m is to n. This is what the section formula. Here 2 formulas are there, internal division, external division. Internal division means what, sir? Internal division means the P point lies inside of AB. Correct na? P lies inside of AB and divides the line joining 2 points in the ratio m is to n. That division we call it as internal division. Okay, P point lies what? Inside of AB. That's why we call it as internal. Inside of AB divides the line joining 2 points AB in the ratio m is to n. Suppose these 2 are the line joining 2 points in space. Okay now, AB, and so P be a point lies outside of AB. R. One more I draw. A to B line joining 2 points. Here I draw here. P be a point lies outside of BA. Here lies outside of AB. Here it lies outside of BA. Okay now, so what it do is it divides line joining 2 points in the ratio m is to n. This is AP is equal to m, A to P is equal to m, P to B, this is direction. Okay now, P to B is equal to m. So what it do? It lies what? Outside of AB or outside of BA. Outside of AB or outside of BA, it divides line joining 2 points in the ratio m is to n. That is, from A to P is m and P to B is equal to n. Then this type of division, if the P point lies outside, if this type of division we call it as external division. If P point lies inside of AB and divides the line joining 2 points in the ratio m is to n, then that division we call it as internal division. If P point lies outside of AB or outside of BA, divides line joining 2 points in the ratio m is to n, that type of division we call it as what? External division. Clear? Okay. So we know the concept of what? Section formula. Then we derive what? The section formula in space. It is very important derivation for 5 marks in annual examination. Very, very important derivation. Section formula in space. Derive the section formula in space. Okay. So what we do? We draw the space. Very important derivation. It is on x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. O be the origin. Correct na? O be the origin. Here I draw a point, P point. P of, or else better we draw a x1, y1, z1. Be a point in space. A of x1 comma y1 comma z1 be a point in space. I draw one more point. B be a point x2 y2 z2. These 2 points in space I written here. Let A of x1 y1 z1 and B of x2 y2 z2. B of x2 y2 z2 be 2 points. Be 2 points in space. Be 2 points in space. Clear? This is the first one. Next one, join AB. What we do? Join AB. We join it. Join AB. Correct? Next line. Let P of x comma y comma z. P of x comma y comma z be a point in space. Be a point in space. Okay, then we will see what we do. It divides line joining AB. It divides. See, observe here. Let P of x comma y comma z be a point in space. It divides line joining AB in the ratio m is to n. That is AP is equal AP is equal to m and PB is equal to n. Let P of x comma y comma z, once again I say that P of x comma y comma z be a point in space. It divides line joining AB in the ratio m is to n. See, observe here. Let P of x comma y comma z be a point in space and it divides line joining AB in the ratio m is to n. In the ratio m is to n, that is A to P is equal to m, P to B is equal to P to B, P to B is equal to what? n. Is it clear? P be a point in space, it divides line joining AB in the ratio m is to n. Observe here, P lies inside or outside? Inside. That's why firstly we derive the formula for internal division. Okay. Next up. So draw AM A to M, B to N and P to R perpendicular to XY plane. Draw AM, BN, PR perpendicular to what? XY plane. Observe here. Draw AM. Correct? AM. One more. BN. One more. PR. AM, BN, PR perpendicular to this plane. This plane we call it as what? XY plane. This plane we call it as XY plane. Draw AM, BN, PR what? Perpendicular to what? XY plane. Okay, over. Next step. Next step. Draw MNR or AL and AL. First one. Draw AL perpendicular to PR. Draw. Observe here. Draw AL perpendicular to PR. Next line. Draw PS perpendicular to BN. Draw PS perpendicular to BN. Draw AL is now perpendicular to PR. Draw PS perpendicular to BN. Over. From figure, observe carefully. Two triangles are here. Triangle APL and triangle PBS are congruent. From figure, triangle APL is congruent. Carefully observe the figure. Congruent to triangle what? PBS. That is triangle APL is congruent to triangle PBS. Correct now? Triangle PBS. Observe here. Angle is same common line. That's why triangle APL is congruent to triangle PBS. Okay. So you know the property, congruent property. That implies, observe here, AP divided by PB. The sides are corresponding sides are proportional to each other. This is what the property of congruency. Corresponding sides, what are those? AP divided by PB is equal to AL divided by PS. AL divided by PS, that is same as PL divided by BS. The congruency property is the corresponding sides. The corresponding sides are what? Proportional to each other. AP divided by PB is equal to AL divided by PS, that is equal to PL divided by BS. Okay. So I use, since AP by PB is equal to AL by PS, that is equal to PL by BS, that implies That implies I take only two. Among these three, I take only two. AP divided by PB is equal to PL divided by BS. That is enough. Okay, now IAP divided by A is equal to B is equal to C. You know A is equal to B is equal to C. That implies A is equal to B or A is equal to C or B is equal to C. Okay, B is equal to C. So AP divided by PB. AP divided by PB is equal to AP divided by PB. That is equal to what? PL divided by BS. From figure, AP is what? M. PB is what? N. Since AP is equal to M and PB is equal to N. Correct now? AP is equal to N, PB is equal to N. That implies M divided by N. M divided by N is equal to PL divided by BS. Correct? M divided by N is equal to what? PL divided by BS. Now we find the value of PL, the value of BS. Okay, the value of PL and value of BS after finding, substitute here. Okay, observe here. From figure, again, observe the carefully. From figure, one by one I will take. PL is equal to, observe carefully, PL, already discussing distance between 2 points. PL is equal to PR minus LR. Correct now? Once again I say that PL is equal to PR minus what? LR. So what is nothing but PR? PR is nothing but the coordinate of Z. PR is nothing but coordinate of Z. PL, that implies PL is equal to Z minus LR. X comma Y comma Z. This PR is nothing but coordinate of Z. LR, again it is from figure. LR is same as AM since LR is equal to AM. Correct? Observe carefully. LR is equal to what? AM. What is nothing but AM? AM is what? The coordinate of Z1. AM is nothing but the coordinate of Z1. So that implies LR is equal to Z1. PL is equal to Z minus Z1. One value we got. Correct? PL is equal to what? Z minus Z1. Okay. We substitute here. PL is Z minus Z1. This is over. Again from figure. So we want BS. Observe carefully. BS. Correct now? BS. What we do? BN. BS is equal to BN minus SN. BN minus what? SN. BN is what? Coordinate of Z2. So BS is equal to Z2 minus BS is equal to what? Z2 minus SN. Z2 minus SN. Observe here. SN is same as PR since from figure SN is equal to, carefully observe, SN is same as PR. SN is equal to PR. Then what is the value of PR? PR is nothing but coordinate of Z. That implies SN is equal to what? Z. That implies BS is equal to what? Z2 minus Z. BS is equal to what? Z2 minus Z. Substitute here. Z2 minus Z. Z2 minus Z. Okay. So we already find that implies M divided by N is equal to what? Z minus Z minus z1 PL divided by z2 minus z2 minus z. So what we do next step? Cross multiplying m into z2 minus z is equal to n into z minus z1. See, observe here. The coordinate of z in P is z. The coordinate of z in P is z. Okay, we find z, coordinate of z. M into z2 minus m into z is equal to n into z minus n into z1. Okay, I multiply m into z2 minus m into z is equal to n into z minus n into z1. So what I do, minus nz1 I shifted from right side to left side. It becomes mz2 plus nz1. Minus nz1 I shifted from right side to left side. It becomes plus nz1. Similarly, minus mz is present in left side. I shifted from left side to right side. It becomes plus mz. Plus mz. So mz2 plus nz1 is equal to, in these two terms I take z common, m plus n. That implies z is equal to, z into m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 means a is equal to b or b is equal to a is equal to b or b is equal to a. Cross multiplying, z is equal to mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Z means what? Coordinate of z in P. Coordinate of z in P. Coordinate of z in P is given by mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, in the same method if we calculate, similarly, coordinate of y in P is given by y is equal to, we find coordinate of z in P. Z means coordinate of z in P, mz2 plus nz1 divided by what? M plus n. Similarly, if you do the same procedure regarding y coordinate, so what we got? Y coordinate, coordinate of y in P is nothing but my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. And coordinate of x in P, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 divided by what? M plus n. That implies P of, the coordinate we return once completely, we return P of x comma y comma z is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. This is the section formula. This is the section formula for what? Internal division. Section formula for internal division in the ratio m is to n. Section formula for internal division in the ratio m is to n is given by x coordinate is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, and z coordinate is mz2 plus nz1 divided by what? M plus n. This is very important derivation. Similarly, section formula for Next, second one, section formula for external division, that I written as q of x comma y comma z. Section formula, okay, for external division. External division already discussed. The Q point lies outside of AB or outside of BA, correct na? Outside of AB or outside of BA, it divides line joining AB in the ratio m is to n. Section formula for external division, Q of x comma y comma z, mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 divided by m minus n. This is what the section formula for external division. If it is plus, section formula for internal division. If it is minus, section formula for external division. One more formula we have to derive. So put m is equal to n is equal to 1 in internal division. So what we got? x2 plus x1 divided by 1 plus 1 is what? 2. y2 plus y1 divided by 1 plus 1 is what? 2. z2 plus z1 divided by 1 plus 1 is what? 2. That implies that I written as m of x comma y comma z, m of x comma y comma z is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, z1 plus z2 divided by 2. This is one more formula. So midpoint formula. Why it is midpoint formula? See the distance. M and N are 1, same distance. That means the point P lies exactly the midpoint. It is also 1. It is also 1. Means P lies exactly the midpoint of AB. If both M and N are same. So not only 1. For simple calculation I take 1. If you take 2 also. If you take 4 also. If you take 3 also. Whatever it may be. So if the same distance are there, that means P lies exactly the midpoint of AB. That's why we call it as this one midpoint formula. Means midpoint formula in space is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. So 3 formulas we discuss. The first one is section formula for internal division. So section formula for internal division is given by mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Section formula for external division, mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 divided by m minus n. So lastly, midpoint formula in space, midpoint formula in space, m of x comma y comma z is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. This is what the section formula for internal division, external division and midpoint formula. We discuss the problems in next class. Thank you.